G'day lawnies, it's Matt Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. Hey, thanks for joining us. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit subscribe and click the bell notification to get notified of the latest video going up. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Lawn's 3 weeks down today. It's really starting to fill in. I did a top dress a week ago. I did one deep water and a couple of little light waters just to keep that top dress just nice and moist and promote the grass to grow into those areas. I did a fertiliser finally when the weather dropped with 4 Seasons slow release granular fertiliser. It's a dual slow release, so slow release nitrogen, slow release potassium, and it's also got iron in it and it's giving it that deep green, and I've noticed the difference already. As you can see, my grass is starting to really fill in nicely. I'm going to do 2 mows today just to show you the difference. Rotary mower, cylinder mower. So let's go to the Lawnporn shed. Look, a cylinder mower cut wins hands down, but realise that there's pros and cons to each mower. Rotaries are cheap and they're cheap to service and they're easy to use. The cons really are that the cut isn't as good because it's slashing at the grass blades rather than cutting it like scissors. You can get a great cut with a rotary. It's neat, but you won't get the lines. It's a little bit harder to get the low mow with a rotary, up a notch to avoid scalping, and yeah, it'll still look pretty good. Cylinder mowers, yep, great cut, but they're expensive and they're also expensive to service. Well, you can go that little bit lower. The cut is like a pair of scissors and you'll get the lines because the rollers are pushing the grass blades in different directions and the reflection of the sun on those grass blades gives the line effect. So a quick summary of my week 3. Saturday I top dressed. I top dressed with some sandy loam. There's a few stones in it and whatnot, but that's all I had. Sunday I gave it a nice big drink, and that was about an hour and a half on my system. I think it was Monday or Tuesday I gave it a mow with the rotary, basically to suck up a lot of the stones, but of course there was a bit of grass height in there as well. And look, it sucked up a little bit of the dirt that I put down as well, but it's the easiest and only thing I could really do. The weather dropped Tuesday, and I think it was Wednesday that I put down my 4 Seasons granular fertiliser, and I wet that in with about half an hour of my system. The grass is really grown in quite a lot. It still hasn't covered yet, but it's all starting to really ground in and be one with the ground, so to speak. So my daughter has been bugging me to play on the grass, and now every day she plays on it. So I got a bit busy late in the week with work and everything else that I had to do, and then Saturday, which is today, is I gave it a mow with the rotary and with the cylinders just to see the difference. It still really needs to fill in, but that'll take time. But what I'm really glad about is that my autumn program, now that I've had the grass down a few weeks, I've just been able to go straight into that, put down the 4 Seasons for my slow release nutrients throughout the autumn, and I'm going to be using Launch Plus and Root Builder over the next few weeks. Launch 1 week, Root Builder the next week, to fertilise and condition my plant and assist that root system, which will condition my grass and thicken everything up. It's starting to look really quite good now. I'm sure subsequent mows will get a lot better. Please, follow my autumn program. It's free on lawnpornonline.com. And hope you like the video. Give us a thumbs up. I'll keep you informed how the TifTuf is going. It's doing really, really well, and it's going to be a great lawn, I can just tell. Get your lawn on.
Start autumn with some love from Lawnporn. Download our autumn program for free on lawnpornonline.com.